In this video, we're gonna learn how to make this awesome glow transition in DaVinci Resolve. So here is the transition. That was awesome, right? So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make this exact transition in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First of all, let me find a place where I need this transition to be added. For example, in this place, I want this transition to appear. I want to add the transition right over here. So that's what we are gonna do right now. Let's open the effects panel and search adjustment layer. Let's click here and search all folders. And here we have the adjustment layer. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it exactly 20 frames. So in my playhead, you can see there is a shadow. This shadow is exactly 10 frame long in the left side and also 10 frame long in the right side. So we're gonna make it 20 frame by this. So you can see it's 10 frame here and 10 frame here. So it's 20 frames. If we go to the original one, you can also see that this is also 20 frames. So let's go and create this transition. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the color. So I like to change the transition color to orange. The transition that I custom made, I changed the color to orange to make it much more easier to remove or add. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a marker to it just like that. Click M on the keyboard to add the marker. Next, open in Fusion page. Next what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this 2 viewer to 1 viewer. What we're gonna do is just click here and it's gonna be 1 viewer. So basically this transition consists of 2 nodes which are soft glow and Gaussian blur. So if we keyframe soft glow and Gaussian blur, we will get this awesome looking transition. So first what we're gonna add is Gaussian blur, and remember to add the Gaussian blur to the default because the default actually looks the best with this transition. This whole composition is actually 20 frames. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this 10th frame and click on the diamond icon here, create a keyframe. Next we're gonna go to the front, we're gonna make it 0. Next we're gonna go to the end and make it 0. So you can see the 20th frame is not showing. It's actually because the 20th frame is out of this composition. It will affect your overall transition, but it will not show in the Fusion page. You actually need to go and see it in the edit page. So this will make a really nice effect. And now what we want to do, we're gonna add shift and space and add soft glow just like that. Add the soft glow node and you can already see the effect coming together. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this 10th frame and make it a bit more bright. So not make it absolutely white because then it would just look bad. We want a very few details, very few dark areas to show. Something like 3.5 looks good. We're gonna click on this diamond icon to create a keyframe. Let's go to frame 1 and make it 0. Let's go to frame 20 and make it 0. And now you can see we have this nice effect. But the problem is it's completely linear, which means the speed graph is completely linear. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drag and hold like this. So both of the nodes are selected like this. You can see in the inspector window here, both of the nodes are selected. Next we'll open the spline, click on here to show both of them. Next what we're gonna do, we're gonna click Ctrl plus A. Now hit S to smooth those, and next we're gonna click on T to show this window, the ease in and ease out window. So next click on this lock icon and just make it about 50. So what this will do, this will just smooth out the entire graph. You can see this looks very nice and smooth, and that's pretty much it. That literally makes the transition. So let's see how it looks. So you can see it's exactly the same transition we did there. This looks a lot better and a lot more smoother. So you can also make it completely white if you want, but I would not recommend that because that would just look a bit odd. That will literally look like you added a white background and lowered the opacity and increased the opacity, which would make it a very static animation. But this right here, you can see the highlights are extremely high and the dark areas are still dark. You can see this is very dark, this is very dark, the hair is very dark. So this is how you create the transition. You can get this transition for free, I mean the notes, on my community at Frame Grid Studios. I will give a link in the description. You can join my community where I have given this transition completely for free, and you can also find my whole preset pack in my community. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.